Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be baking sourdough rolls with poppy seeds filling. We will need the following ingredients: 240 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 90 grams of icing sugar, 20 grams of fresh yeast or 6 grams of dried yeast, 500 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 80 grams of unsalted butter, 1 egg, and 1 egg for the egg wash. First we will prepare the sourdough starter. Mix together 240 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 2 teaspoons of icing sugar, which is taken from the total amount, and 20 grams of fresh yeast. Place the bowl of ingredients in a bowl of warm water and leave it to activate for 15 minutes. When ready, let's make the dough. Sift the flour into a large bowl. Add the remaining icing sugar, salt, starter mixture, egg, and butter. Mix everything together . And knead by hand for about 7 minutes until it becomes smooth . It begins to pull away from the side of the bowl. Lightly dust with flour and cover with cling film. Leave the dough in the warm place to grow for about 1 hour until it doubles in size. While we wait for the dough to grow, let's prepare the filling. We will need 200 grams of ground poppy seeds, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 8 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, and 50 milliliters of milk. Place the poppy seeds into a saucepan. Add granulated sugar, vanilla sugar, butter, and milk. Cook over a low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Lightly flour the work surface and place the dough on top. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Sprinkle the first piece with flour and roll it out into a rectangle. Spread half of the poppy seed filling over it. Roll it up into a log. For more interesting appearance, you can braid the roll. Place it on a lined baking tray. Repeat with the second portion of dough. Spread the remaining filling. And roll it into a classic Swiss roll shape. Place it on a tray as well. Cover with cling film and leave it in a warm place for 30 minutes, allowing the rolls to rise again. Prepare the egg wash and brush the rolls. Prick the surface lightly with a fork. Bake for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Allow it to cool down before slicing. Enjoy!